So sometimes when you open an application in your Android phone, you don't get to view it full screen. For instance, Prime Videos or Netflix or whatever it is. When you open the app, you see that the part for the status bar, like this, is blacked out. And the remaining screen, you could see the video or you could view the app. So in the video for today, I'm going to show you how to view the application in full screen. What you need to do is just get to settings directly and just get to display settings. So you may have a Motorola phone or a Samsung phone or whatever it is. Just look for display settings on your phone. You scroll down a bit out here and look for display apps in full screen or full screen for all apps or whatever it is on your phone. So you're going to be directed to this page out here on which you have an option to turn on full screen viewing on your Android device for any or all applications on your phone. So if you want to maybe view Prime Videos in full screen, just turn this on. If you want to maybe view Amazon Music in full screen, just turn this on. If you want to view Netflix in full screen, just turn this on. And the next time you open Amazon Prime or Netflix, you are going to be able to view the videos out there in full screen. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.